The Pythagorean theorem is a theorem we use to solve for the sides of a right triangle. And it says this: in the case of any right triangle, the relationship, and we know it's right, because this is a 90-degree angle, the relationship of the sides is as such. If we label this side A, this side B, and the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse, C, we can say that the square of A plus the square of B is equal to the square of C. And we can use that relationship to solve for sides when we don't know all the sides. For example, if we have a triangle and we know that the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters and one of the two sides is 5 centimeters, it doesn't actually matter which one because the math ends up the same, but let's say that side, and we're looking for, let's say, side B, we can say that 5 squared plus B squared equals 13 squared. And if we do those squareds, that means 25 equals 25 plus B squared equals 169. Subtract 25 from both sides, and we get that B squared equals 144. We're not interested in B squared, though. Remember, we're interested in B. So we have to take the square root of both sides, which in this case, 144 is a perfect square, so the square root of it is 12. So B equals 12. And that's the Pythagorean theorem. You can use to solve for any side, A, B, or C, with the Pythagorean theorem. In a lot of cases, you're going to get radicals that don't have perfect squares, and you have to simplify that radical. So reference our notes on simplifying radicals and make sure you do that. Do not write decimal or rounded answers. Okay, we're looking for simplified radical answers.